Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you what to do if you are feeling anxious and you want to calm down by using the Rudi application. But first, I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then you should tap on this red button in the middle of the screen. Now you need to select the relevant answer to this question: how are you feeling? Now you will read these short affirmations and tips to calm you down. If you are done with reading the one at this page, you need to tap on the button next and continue this process until you feel that you are calmed down a little bit. If you want to turn on the narration, you have to tap on this button in the middle of the screen. So if you are done with these steps, you need to answer this question: has the panic ended? Tap on the relevant one, and that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing to my channel, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.